I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming accounts and security so the link works smoothly. Sign into Twitch and Rocket League accounts on the devices you'll use. Make sure emails are verified. Once done, enable two-factor authentication if either platform prompts it, because interruptions often come from missing verification. Next, open the Rocket League main menu and navigate to the Extras or Account section to begin the official connection process. Do this now so you can follow the interface prompts without delay. Now you'll perform the authorization and configuration steps that actually link accounts. In Rocket League, choose Connect Accounts, then pick Twitch, which opens an authorization window. Read the requested permissions and approve the minimum required scopes to enable drops and streaming features. Make sure the Twitch account shown is the correct channel. If not, sign out and re-authenticate. Once authorized, configure in-game options for drops and stream overlays, and save settings so Rocket League recognizes your Twitch identity for rewards and broadcasts. Finish by verifying the connection and running a test to ensure everything works. Check the account settings in Rocket League to confirm Twitch shows as connected, then start a brief private stream or join an event that grants drops to validate eligibility. If the link fails, first revoke the app permission from Twitch and reauthorize. If problems persist, clear browser cookies, try a different browser, and double-check two-factor prompts. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched emails or multiple Twitch accounts are the most common cause. Confirm you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.